Hello friends! Today we will play with Kawaii Mermaids by Marcelo. So guys, I want to show you some mermaids I've created. There are 4 different mermaids, 4 little bodies and heads, the tails, 4 tails, and 4 different updos or wigs. What do you prefer? I prefer wigs. It's more fun. And the funniest part is those elements can be combined through themselves. We can change the bodies, we can change tails or wigs. So we can have a lot of different mermaids. We can use them in our projects as party decorations, planner decorations, to play with our kids, and a lot of ideas. Let me show you guys the files available to download, to free download. This is the first one. There are 3 files. This is the second one, and this is the background that I used. You can download them for free in the links in the description box. Let's imagine other solutions where we can use those mermaids. I printed them in a A3 size cardboard. Those files are available in high quality definition, so we can use them as paper dolls, as die cuts. We can print them in a magnetic paper or glue a little magnet behind and playing, changing the elements. We can also play as stick marionettes. We just have to glue a little stick behind and create a fun story. Or as a party decoration, we can hang them as a little flag. This is a beautiful idea. We can glue a letter in the mermaid's hand and create a name or a message, and create a beautiful decoration party. We can make party favors, separate. We can give to the kids and they can play with those separate elements. Or those mermaids can be used as a party decoration, and the kids can let them home after the party. If we print the files in a A4 or A5 size, we can do stickers. We can also create little stickers. We can. It is a solution for a planner decoration. We can use them as tags for gifts, planners, and we can decorate our creative space. I love a lot of ideas. I have an idea. Printing the background file, we can use it as a cover for a planner or a traveler journal. And we can add a little mermaid over it, and using a little foam piece behind, this gives us the 3D effect. Really sweet. Another idea is making bookmarks with the mermaids. We can use the body and the wig glue together and separate the tail. We can use a cardboard strip, a clip, or a piece of ribbon for the bookmark body. Look the effect. This is amazing. You can use a bookmark like this. Also here a clip or a cardboard strip. Look, our bookmarks. We can change positions and had a lot of fun with the bookmarks, Mermaids bookmarks. We can tell stories with those movements and have a great time with the kids. So you can download the files for free and play with your imagination and creativity. I drew those mermaids on a kawaii style. I love this kawaii style. I start to make those mermaids for Mermaid challenge. I want to share with you some kawaii mermaids by Marcelo, the other types, the other styles. This is my kawaii sketchbook. The first one is a queen or a princess with a seashell crown and little flowers. Here, another princess with a lot of curls, a ponytail and some jewels. This is a disco-inspired mermaid with a big afro hair and seashells crown and some starfishes, like this. Love this. This mermaid has an octopus as a hat and a little octopus necklace. This mermaid has two pigtails with some air bubbles and little shells. Look, my air bubbles. This has a particular hairstyle and a lot of shells and some jewels also. She's so fancy. This is inspired by the 60s and she wears a crown with little seashells and a little starfish, and also starfish as jewels. This has a little starfish over her hair, sweet jewels and some curls. I love those curls. I really love those curls. Here a ponytail with some starfishes and jewels. This is my geisha mermaid. She wears Japanese style jewels and some ocean elements to decorate them. This has an octopus holding her hair, making a sweet ponytail. curls, jewels, starfishes, another fancy one. This is so funny. She has a little crab making her pigtails. And finally, little pigtails, jewels, shells, and stuff. So those are the Little Mermaids by Marcelo. I'm really happy to share this project with you. I want to thank everybody who is outside Italy and supports me. I know that sometimes it's hard to communicate, but in the end, we have the art language. I invite you all to subscribe to my channel and visit my Facebook page by Marcelo and my Instagram account by Marcelo Carboni. I hope you like this gift and send me some pictures of your solutions with those mermaids. So, thumbs up, leave a comment for me, and kisses and bye bye.